This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, oven, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is 8,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.